review AI Agent Army. AI Agent Army basically software which help you to create any kind of the content. Actually, this is AI agent which help you in your content creation journey or in your work or in your office work. Any kind of use you can use this agent AI agent for your any need is you want. Basically, this AI agent help you is your personal assistant. Just like personal assistant, your help you in your work or in your day-to-day routine. Similarly, AI agent army help you in your day-to-day in your work or in your content creation journey. Create website, videos, voice over, art, images, social media posts, ads, copies, email, content, blogs, business plan, marketing plan, idea generator, lead generator, marketing planner, daily day-to-do list, scheduler, marketing assistant, and more with the help of AI agent army. Basically, AI agent army hell just give an prompt. This AI agent army uh, will create any of this you are request demanded or requested the prompt. They will this AI agent generate you the content. AI finishes 100% marketing tasks in a second. Save manual effort. Save your money. No freelancer or salary payment or high project cost. Make money with the commercial license. Create and sell unlimited marketing asset for client. Easy to create anything in a second. No need to learn through the prompt like ChatGPT. It is Iron Man Jarvis, your personal AI butler and assistant. Imagine the multi level automation. You will have army of AI agent army. Hundred of AI agents like army of the agent. This is the next level of ChatGPT. Why AI army is better than ChatGPT? So this is one of the best tool, I think so. This there is a multiple tool in a one tool. This tool uh, work as your army actually. Getting website, getting sales videos copied, image to get image generator, attention grabbing social media posts, create high converting email, get SEO friendly plan, find best images, video and from AI stock library, create AI logo and banner instantly, get long term content in a second. There is lots of features in the one single AI agent. This AI agent just go and create and go choose a task, prompt or voice command, download, publish and sell. You can sell also in download, publish as well. This is the AI agent army. This like this character. This AI tool help you in your day-to-day life, such as every accountant, marketing planner, sales planner, talent coach, life coach, personal training, motivation speaker, blog post writer, sales copywriter, e-com ads writer, SaaS copywriter, presentation writer, screenwriter, poet, philosopher, academician, custom service, B2B sales, B2C sales, cold calling, sales engineering, telecommunication, phone lead generation, sleep motivation, sleep improvement, personal care, meditation, stand-up comedian, shape, photographer, English translator and improver, tech reviewer, advertiser, composer, novelist, TikTok manager, Twitter manager, SEO marketing manager, travel guide, dancer, investment manager, relationship coach, debate coach, entrepreneur coach, ad copywriter, email script writer, brand new name writer, storyteller, organic traffic, marketing psychology, mental health advisor, AI assistant doctor, psychologist, social media influencer, job interviewer, journalist, and many more. This tool help you in your day-to-day content creation, such as above, which I have just read now. So this is the demo video of the how this AI tool help you in your day-to-day life to complete your task. So this is one of these you can some there are some features shown here, how you can create logo, how you can create image, how you can generate blog post with the help of this AI agent army. This is one of the best feature is this is the one of the best feature. This chat GPT is simplified. Jasper don't have those features. This AI tool having those kind of feature. This is the feature. It is AI tool having inside the AI agent army. So there is a one. There is a upfront price is $47. Go and check out these, and they also offering the 30 money back guarantee, and so that you can trust on the and you can check out these, and you can use. And if you don't like the software, you can ask for the refund them. They also providing some of the bonuses. Bonus number one, AI agent army. Bonus number two, AI agent army video training, how to start online business. Video training, how to run agency business. Video number three, video training on how to boost your revenue. These some of the bonus they are providing if you purchase this AI agent right now. So that's my review, friends, for this software AI agent army. This is one of the amazing software actually which help you to find it help you to